Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to connect your Phantom wallet to your Dex Screener. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So Dex Screener is a decentralized exchange analytical tool, not a trading platform itself. So it does not require or support wallet connections like Phantom, MetaMask, etc. So to use Phantom wallet with Dex Screener, you need to simply track tokens you are holding in your Phantom wallet. Simply get your wallet address, copy it, go to Dex Screener, paste your wallet address in the search bar, and then Dex Screener will show tokens and charts related to your holdings. Other thing is to track tokens or charts manually as well. If you know the token address, simply paste it to the Dex Screener search bar to view its chart and liquidity. So by doing this, you can simply use Dex Screener as a platform to view Phantom Wallet's holdings. So I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.